Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. In this video, let's learn about mapping elements in Java streams. So mapping elements in Java streams is a common operation where we transform elements from one type to another. The map operation in Java streams allows us to apply a function to each element in the stream and produce a new stream with the transformed elements. Okay friends, let's delete that. Now let's move to create and code demo for mapping elements in Java streams. So let's consider example where we have a list of products and we want to extract the names of these products into a new list using the map operation. So this is the common scenario in data processing or data extraction tasks. So here we can use the map operation to extract the product names and create a new list with just the names. Okay, so let's do write code for that. Here I am creating one more class with the name class product. Let's add the private variables of string and double with name and price in this class. Private string name, private double price. Okay, so here I have created two private variables with name and price. Now let's create constructor. So right click on source and generate constructor using fields. Click on generate. Okay, so yeah, our constructor is ready as well. Now let's create a getter methods. Generate getters and setters. Select getters and generate. Okay, so we required only getter method for get names, so delete this get price method. Okay, fine friends. Now let's go into main class and create the list of products with name products. Okay, so list of products equal to import the list interface. So friends, here I have created a list of products with their name and prices. Okay, now let's create a stream from the list of products and map to product names. So let's proceed. List of type string, name of the list will be product names, equal to products dot stream. Okay, enter dot map product method reference double column get name. Okay, dot collect dot collect collectors dot to list. Call the method collectors dot to list. Okay, import create method map object. We are getting error here. Okay friends, so here I have given one extra semicolon, so I have to remove that. Okay, so now we don't have error. Here, so let's proceed for our remaining code. Now use the for each operation. Product names dot for each and pass the method reference here. sys system dot out double colon print ln. Okay, so friends, let's revise our code once again. Here we have a product class with name and price. We also have a getter method. This is getter method, get name to retrieve the product name. Okay, then we create a list of product objects representing different products. This is our product list of different objects like laptop, smartphone and tablet. Okay, then we create a stream from the list of products. And using the map operation we extract the product names. Using the map operation, this is the map operation, we extract the product names by applying the product get name method reference to each product. Okay, so this maps the products to their names, and the map product names are collected into a new list using the collectors dot to list method. And finally we print the extracted product names using the for each operation which iterates through the list. Okay friends, so it's time to get our output to the console. Let's run our code now. So friends, we are able to map the product names we are able to map the product names. Okay, so the product names are laptop, smartphone and tablet. Laptop, smartphone and tablet. Okay friends, so this is all about mapping a this is all about mapping elements in a stream. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding. Thank you once again.